Good morning, children. Third standard. Take out your term 1, page number 19. Page number 19. Third standard. Take out your term 1, page number 19. So long we are completing in this. Yes. Today we'll go for new page number 19. You are lucky to have such an orchard and enjoy fresh fruits all the time. He said. Look, my friend, replied Raman. I will give you an apple tree, the best one from my orchard. You and your children shall enjoy its fruits. Raman selected the apple tree. He called his workman and ordered them to take it to the friend's house. They did so. And next morning, Gopal began to wonder where he should plant it. If I plant it in the front, he said to himself, he whined for the hillside, might catch it and shake off its delicious fruit before they are ripe. If I plant it close to the road, the passenger by me pluck them. If I plant it near the door of my house, my servants or children may pluck its fruits. After thinking for a long time, he decided to plant it, become his ban. Even thieves will not think of looking for it here, he said to himself. But the tree did not bear any flower or fruit in the first and the second years. Gopal and sent for his friend Raman. He said angrily, you have given me a barren tree instead of a fruitful one. You have decided me. Raman wondered what could be wrong. He went and saw where the tree was planted. He laughed at Gopal. He said, you have planted the tree in a place where it not get either sun or warmth. How then could you export flowers and fruits? You plant them the tree with a greedy heart. How then could you expect to reap and reach harvest? Yes, after that, the orchard is fresh fruits all the time. The Raman and Gopal are talking with themselves. Look, my friend, replied Raman. Raman is telling, look, my friend, I will give you apple tree. He is telling, I will give you a apple tree in the best from my orchard. I will give the best one in my orchard, in my farm. Raman selected the apple tree. Raman selected the apple tree. He calls its workmen and ordered them to take his friend's house. He was telling that he called the workman and ordered them to take to his friend's house. They did not. In the next morning, Gopal began to wonder where he should plant it. The Gopal was thinking where I have to plant this tree. If I plant it in front, he is telling with themselves. He said to himself, the wind from the hillside might catch it and shake off its delicious fruit. If I plant it in the front of my house, hillside might catch it and shake it. So, if I plant it close to the near, he is telling himself, if I plant it in the close to road, the passenger by may pluck them. If I plant it near the door of my house, my servants and children may pluck its fruits. He is thinking that if I plant near my door, my children and my servants will pluck it. After thinking a long time, after thinking a long time, he decided to plant it behind his barn. He is decided to plant it behind his barn. Even thieves will not think that looking for it here. He is thinking that even thieves will come, robbers will come. They will not think the tree is near here. So, but the tree did not bear any flowers. He planted near the back. After the 2 years are done, after 2 years in the tree, no flower and no fruit are there. After that, the second year, Gopal then sent off his friend Raman. He said angrily to the friend, he is telling, you given me a barren tree. Instead of fruitful one, you have decided me. See, instead of giving me a fruitful tree, you given me barren tree. That's why the tree is not giving us flowers and fruits. Raman was thinking that what will be the wrong. He went to saw where the tree was planted. He ran and went where the tree was planted. He laughed at Gopal, he laughed at Gopal and said, Raman, you have planted a tree in a place where it's not either sun or world. See, he is telling that Raman is telling for Gopal, why you plant here where it's not get sun or rub? How then could you expect flowers and fruits? How can you think that the flowers and fruits will come if you plant here? You planted the tree with a greedy heart. How then could you expect a reap of rich harvest? See, you're thinking that you should plant it inside the barren, inside the bear. So how can the tree will come fruits and flowers? Okay, till here we will stop. That's all. Over the chapter is over. See, where the trees we have to plant the trees outside the garden, outside the mud. Okay, in outside means, see, the sunrise should be on the tree and the warm and the rainwater and everything should be for the tree. Then the tree will live. Otherwise, tree will not live alive. Okay? Yes. Take out your English notebook. Write today's date 24 and write hard words. Okay? Today I will give the hard words. Tomorrow I will start the exercise. We will start the exercise. Enjoy. First one is enjoy. Second one, fruit. Shade. Third one is shade. Fourth one, think. And the fifth one, years. And the sixth one, pluck. Seventh one, time. Eighth one, wonder. And the ninth one, planted. And the last one is long.
Write it neatly in your English notebook. Okay. Leave one line and write. After writing the word, leave one line and write. Repeat after me now. Lesson number 3. A greedy heart. Hard words. Enjoy. Fruit. Shake. Think. Years. Pluck. Time. Wonder. Planted. Long. See the spelling for enjoy? E-N-J-O-Y. Enjoy. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. Shake. S-H-A-K-E. Shake. T-H-I-N-K. Think. Y-E-A-R-S. Years. P-L-U-C-K. Pluck. T-I-M-E. Time. W-O-N-D-E-R. Wonder. Planted. P-L-A-N-T-E-D. Planted. Long. L-O-N-G. Long. Write it neatly. Tomorrow we'll do the exercise.